If you are new here, hi, I am Lithu and I share creative, beginner-friendly nail art design you can try right at home. Today's design is something special. We are bringing a little piece of nature to our fingers. This is a leafy nail art tutorial, soft, elegant and inspired by the calm of nature. Whether you love earthly tones or just want something fresh and simple, I am using pinkish red color as the base coat. This look will make your nails feel alive. I will show you every step so you can create salon style leafy nail art at home even if you are a beginner. For this leafy look, you don't need to use anything fancy, just a simple basic tools. Soak your hands in water for 5 minutes before starting. It softens your cuticles and give your nails a smoother finish. During the application of nail polish, don't take too much or too less nail polish. Clean from the back and side from the nail brush as shown in this video. Then place on top of your nails and gently slide downwards. Follow the same steps on other nails. Ask your doubts in the comment section about this nail art and also about other nail arts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Lithu's nail art design. Before drawing any design, you should make sure that your brushes are clean. After you applied your nail polish, let that dry for 2 minutes before we move on to our designs. Now for my favorite part, the leaves. Start by drawing a soft curved line. This will be the stem. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Next, add small leaves along the stem. Here I am adding 5 leaves, thin stalk pointed outwards. Keep the pressure light so they look soft and natural. If your hand shakes a bit, rest your vest on the table. Stability makes a big difference. Each nails have its own little pattern. Don't try to make them ideal. You can totally personalize this look by matching with your outfit. For your vibe, minimal or glam both work friendly. Each leaf will tell its own little story, elegant, unique, and natural. Try this for spring, pair it with floral outfit, or even wear it with a subtle everyday design for work or college. With a little patience, here there is a beautiful nail art. Don't apply top coat immediately after you draw your design. You have to wait some time for the design to dry. Do you like this look? Say in the comments. If you are new to nail polish, then use this rule. This is not a three-strike rule. One down the middle, one on the left, one on the right. Hope you understood this tip. Now let's seal everything with a top coat. This is the moment your art truly comes to life. It not only adds shine but protects the leaf design so it lasts for more days. Doesn't that look so fresh, simple, soft and elegant, like carrying a little garden wherever you go? I love how this turned out. Comment below what kind of design you love to see next, maybe floral nails or something glittery. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. With It's calm, refreshing and perfect for any season. And that's it for today's leaf nail art tutorial. I hope you find it relaxing and inspiring. This is one of my favorite designs because it's easy. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, beauty is in the detail. See you all next time.